We'll guide you through how to blend in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Then, create a new canvas by clicking on File and selecting New. Once your canvas is ready, you need to select a brush that supports blending. Go to the toolbar on the left and click on the brush icon. A brush preset window will appear. In this window, look for brushes that have blend in their name or description. These brushes are specifically designed to mix colors smoothly. One popular choice is the basic wet brush, which is great for achieving smooth transitions. Select this brush and adjust its size and opacity as needed using the sliders at the top of the window. Now, to start blending, choose the colors you want to mix by selecting them from the color wheel or your palette. Apply the first color to the canvas by clicking and dragging your brush across the area you want to blend. Then, select the second color and apply it next to the first. Now, gently stroke between the colors with your blending brush. You will see the colors start to mix and create a smooth gradient. If you want a more precise blend, you can adjust the brush size and opacity to achieve the desired effect. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering blending in digital art. Experiment with different brush settings and colors to see what works best for your style. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.